Well, a letter sent by the Yakima County Health Board has sparked protests, petitions and a retraction vote. Community members voiced outrage over language they say targets immigrant food vendors, and our Action News reporter Anissa Williams tells us more.
I have watched with disappointment the board meeting on August 27, 2025, where you voted unanimously to support a letter a member wrote regarding the issue of non-compliant food service vendors in the county of Yakima. Referring to these non-compliant, unlicensed vendors as illegal aliens, the proper term is not illegal alien, Ms. McKinney.
I'm deeply ashamed and disappointed in the board decision to send in a letter that invited federal officials into Yakima. Commissioner McKinney very cowardly chose not to show up today because she knew what she did was wrong.
Yakima County Commissioner Amanda McKinney, who authored the letter, wasn't present at the meeting, but says the intent was to raise public health and safety concerns.
I think the letter, if anyone reads it, was clear. It was requesting the state to work with the federal government. It was not asking the federal government to come and partner with the health district staff. I think this is a significant, serious concern for our community, both for public health, but mostly for public safety, and especially for these people who are out there likely being forced to work against their will to pay off a debt to come across the border. We have to save these people.
Still, the letter's tone left many alarmed. A petition with over 800 signatures is now calling on the board to take a public stance. In a written statement, Yakima County Commissioner and Health Board member Kyle Curtis, who was present at the meeting, says, "I voted to retract the letter because it became evident to me that the language we used, the way we said it, and the way the letter was eventually used was wrong, hurtful, and detracted from the original intent. Words matter, and I was wrong to support a letter that chose polarizing words that divide our community versus words that bring our community together to address malicious actors. I know better."
I would not have voted in favor of retracting the letter. I feel very compelled to make sure that if we're going to identify a concern to law enforcement needs to know specifics. All of these criminal enterprises are a result of massive amounts of folks who've come across our border, and those are the individuals that we're trying to save from human trafficking. And that means hopefully that they will be safely deported back to the country where they came so they can no longer be taken advantage of.
Commissioner Curtis is now tasked with drafting a new version of the letter, which will be considered at the October board meeting. Reporting for Action News, I'm Anissa Williams.